If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Bookmark actions in Acrobat expand the types of actions bookmark links can take within a PDF. Advanced bookmark actions let PDF viewers perform actions like accessing a website, searching a PDF, opening external files, and performing many other types of actions. To set advanced actions for a selected bookmark in the Bookmarks panel in Acrobat, click the Options button in the toolbar at the top of the Bookmarks panel, and then choose the Properties command from its drop-down menu to open the Bookmark Properties dialog box. Then click the Actions tab at the top of this dialog box. The list of actions for the selected bookmark appear in the Actions section of this tab. To select an action, click it to select it in the Actions list. Most bookmarks contain the Go to a page in this document action by default. To delete a selected action, click the Delete button below the Actions list. Alternatively, to edit an action's settings, click the Edit button, make any changes to its settings in the dialog box that then opens, and then click the OK button. To add a new action, click the Select Action dropdown in the Add an Action section of this tab and then choose the desired action from the drop-down menu of choices. Then click the Add button. Depending on the action selected, an additional dialog box opens and prompts you to specify the action's additional settings. For example, for the Open a Web Link action, an Edit URL dialog box appears for you to enter the URL. Enter any required information for your selected action in this dialog box, and then click the OK button to return to the Actions tab. To finalize the bookmark's selected actions, then click the OK button in the Bookmark Properties dialog box to apply them. When a user then clicks the bookmark in the Bookmarks panel in the PDF, the selected action or actions then occur in Acrobat. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.